Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be showing you my Louis Vuitton Cruise 2021 Game On collection by Nicolas Ghesquiere. So I have accumulated all of these, and pretty much these are all my entire collections for the Game On. So I know that I have still been waiting for the Speedy Bandolier, but I don't think I'll be able to get that. It's been like over a month of waiting. But anyways, these are my entire collection for the Game On. So by far, they're all my favorite. I mean, the pop of color is absolutely amazing. The pop of color is absolutely gorgeous. It just always, this color always, and the design as well, always give me this positive vibes for a lot of reasons. So I have here the FELICIE pochette. Oh, the FELICIE pochette is amazing. I just love how versatile this purse is. So this one can be used as a crossbody because it has this beautiful chain. So the chain is removable. So any chains will work for this actually. But you could just remove the strap and use it as a clutch. Really nice, very handy. And also it has this beautiful inserts. So these two inserts is actually amazing, guys. You have a lot of options for this, but personally I'm not going to be able to I'm not going to use this on my FELICIE, but I'm going to use this one separately. So yeah, beautiful. This one is also have this Game On pattern in it, and also this was just actually plain. So yeah, they are really gorgeous. I love how versatile this FELICIE pochette. Really nice, really great combination. Definitely makes my money worth knowing that I could use this one separately, and this one, yeah, you could use this one as a crossbody, shoulder bag, or as a clutch as well. Absolutely amazing. And next I have here, so let me just do the playing cards. So this is actually a playing cards, but the main reason why I got this, it's because of this pouch here. So this pouch, I wanted to use this to put all my entire cards inside. It could fit credit cards, your driver's license, a lot of things could fit in here. That is the main reason why I purchased this, but this is just like the extra. The Game On playing cards, this is just sort of like an extra thing. So yeah, probably I would use this from time to time though. And next, I also have this bandeau. This bandeau is everything, guys. I mean, I just love how pretty the bandeau is. I love that I could use this one on my purse. You could use this one as a twilly. A lot of uses on this beautiful bandeau. So I actually got a couple of these so I could just match it on my purse. So I have two. And also my favorite of all time, this is the KIRIGAMI set. So the KIRIGAMI pochette. So let me just take all of these in here. So the reason why I have this stud bag, because I use my stud bag to store some of my collections. So at least I'll be able to see all of it. I don't really put them on the dust bag. I put them on a clear bag, so I'll be able to see everything. The KIRIGAMI pochette, it came in with this beautiful large pouch. Very nice. Just love the interior. I love that the interior is black. I love that it has a really nice gold hardware. The back, very colorful. I love that this particular pouch is, you could just use it as a clutch, and also I could put it on one of these clear stud bag. I think it would also look great. Plus, I also purchased this little pouch in here just in case if I wanted to use it as a crossbody. And this one, I have showed it on one of my video on a review on this Kirigami pochette and how I use it, and this one is very useful. I mean, this one actually is a game changer, guys, because I was able to use my Kirigami as a crossbody, and it was just, yeah, I just find I think Kirigami is even more functional now that I have this. I'm not really comfortable putting a strap over here because I don't really want to damage the flap. So I decided to get this instead, and this one works wonders. Perfect. And next, also, this two pochette in here. This one is the medium size. Oh, I still have my passport in here. Yeah, this one actually fits a passport, and this one also, I just love this beautiful multicolor in white. So these are my two multicolor in white. Very nice. I just love this black and red and white combination, and this one is also nice too. But what if this one is black? I'm not sure. I wonder how it would look. But I'm already happy. I'm already satisfied that the interior is black. Absolutely amazing. So you don't need to worry about staining it or, I'm pretty sure it's not. It actually depends on how you wear it and how you use it though. But I'm sure it's not going to be, you're not going to worry about any stain inside of that pochette because it is dark. And then also this one, I actually feel this one with 10 of my most used cards. And this is very useful. Very nice. It's compact and it's cute. Very cute. I am so happy, and also I am really satisfied that I was able to get all of this collection. So far, I didn't have any sort of issues with all of these because I probably have this one for over a month now, and I haven't seen any sort of issues. Like, I've used this one several times. I used this one as well. Pretty much I used all of them, and I didn't see any issues with the glazing. I didn't see any issues yet with, but the only thing that I am concerned about is how this paint in here, how this like monogram flowers would hold in time. That was just my concern. I know it's gonna fade eventually, and yeah, I don't know. I mean, I don't even know if this one, it could rub on your, oils from your skin. That would probably, I don't know how this actually hold up in time. And pretty much like the way they put it together seems like intact. The color is so crisp. The color is so vivid. And yeah, pretty much this one is one of my most favorites so far this year that Louis Vuitton has released. And I am so surprised with the quality of it. I am so astonished of how well crafted it is. I mean, the canvas that they use, it's actually in a very high quality though. That's the first thing that I have noticed. And also, yeah, everything seems to be perfect in this collection. And this one is gorgeous. The interior is so gorgeous. It's gorgeous. This is actually new to me though. This is actually new to me. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love it. I am pretty sure, definitely. It's just like the beautiful pop of colors. And this one, definitely. The beautiful pop of color is amazingly beautiful. Wow. It is so gorgeous. Let me just try to put all of this. So if I'm not using it, this is pretty much what I'm going to do. So I would put all of these on my stud bag, and yeah, so at least Like when I put it on the shelves, I'll be able to see all those beautiful colors. I'm not going to forget anything. It always reminds me to use them. And yeah, this is such a perfect storage for all your items. And I did order quite a few of these, probably 5 of these now. And I have it in my shelves, and I am so surprised that this stud bag works perfectly for storage though. It's absolutely amazing. You'll be able to see all your collections in there, and this is by far, look how pretty that is. Wow, I am so happy with this. Really nice. Absolutely amazing. If you're interested in getting in any of these, the FELICIE Pochette, this is $1,350 US at the moment. And then we have here, I have here the BANDEAU. So BANDEAU is actually $195. And then the KIRIGAMI Pochette. So the KIRIGAMI Pochette is $1,010 US. And then the playing cards pouch is $590. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.